Lala English News. Today's news is how to use sunglasses. It is not recommended to use sunglasses which protect the eyes from ultraviolet rays for more than 2 years. Storing sunglasses in a car can cause the lens coating to change due to heat, which can harm our eye health. If the tint of the sunglasses is dark, it is not good because more ultraviolet rays get in. It is best to choose a tint level of around 75 to 80% for sunglasses, allowing the other person to see the eyes slightly through the lenses. It is advisable to check for UV 400 certification or whether it blocks 99% or more of ultraviolet rays. Lala English News. This is Stephanie.